Shark Hydrovac. Clean empty tank problem. You hit the button, works for 10 seconds and shuts off, keep saying the tank's empty. You take the tank out, tank's fine. Pull the foam out, clean down there, that's fine. The sensor that runs to the tank, through the wires right there, comes back here. You can pull the rear cover off. 7 little screws, star bit. See the wires come down, and they go to this plug right here. So this plug had the 3 wires, the same 3 that run up, that run right there to get to the sensor. Out of these 3, leave the red connected, the black and the yellow, cut it, splice them together on the connector side, get back in. After that, you're fine, she's ready to go. Inside now, so we're not mopping the garage. There's 2 wires like we said. Down, press your button. Now it's back to doing what it was meant to do. Lights on, tank there. So that'll fix your problem of this sensor going bad and telling everything, or telling it that it's empty when it's not. The only thing you're going to need to remember is now the sensor won't work to actually tell you that this is empty. While you're mop vacuuming, you're going to have to look at the tank from time to time, or notice that the floor is not wet because it's run out. Okay? I'm going to put a little tape on that. I don't have a wire not that small. And throw the cover back on. Should be all set.